everyone. My name is Daniel, and we are going to do another science experiment. As you remember, yesterday we did smog. This time, we're going to do something else. Step 1. Oh yeah, and quick note. This experiment is not from 365 Science Experiments. So this is just something I did lots of times, and I'm just gonna do it, well, right now. Step 1, vinegar or baking soda. I like doing baking soda first, so pour in some, but not too much, not filling the whole thing, or else you're gonna make a big one. You'll get it. I think maybe this much will be enough. Or put some more if you want a bigger explosion. Okay, maybe that will do. I'm going to lid for the vinegar. And then, let's see how this goes. Okay, maybe I didn't put enough vinegar or baking soda. Okay, let's put more baking soda. And now we got a little explosion. If you want to make more, put in more vinegar or baking soda. I'm not going to do that. So that was my experiment. For watching it. I hope you like it. And like and subscribe for more science videos. And also comment of what you think this was. If you were a miniature person, and then you were. See you next time, anyways. Bye bye.